is public relations, right? Public relations, we need public relations for all the events, right? Or even a family needs public relations. You have family members, you have to remember their birthdays, wish them on their birthdays, give them some presents, go for a picnic with your family members. That is also public relations. In school also must have public relations. The management must have a good public relations with the staff. They must sometimes they give us they hold functions for us, teacher felicitation ceremonies on the uh, children's day. They collect money from the teachers and give food to children. That is also public relations. We have to keep parents meetings. That is also public relations, right? Public relations, every organization needs public relations. What does what doesn't belong to external state public relations? State public relations has two things: internal public relations and external state public relations. The Sri Lankan state is an intangible thing. However, usually we call government as the state, usually, common language. So Sri Lankan government has to keep internal public relations with the people, with the citizens of Sri Lanka. Shahad. Okay. Citizens of Sri Lanka, right? That is internal public relations. Sri Lankan state has public relations with India. That is internal or external? Abdallah?
External.
That is external public relations. Now read these 5 answers and give me the correct answer. What doesn't belong to external state public relations?
The second one.
Second one.
Visit to India.
Okay, we'll see. China appoints a new ambassador to Sri Lanka. That is correct. External public relations. External state public relations. President's visit to India. External state public relations. Attending the United Nations conference. That is also external state public relations, right? Island-wide program to encourage new inventors. That is internal. Number 2, grant a loan from IMF. What is meaning of IMF? Somebody tell me.
International
Monetary Fund, right? They give loans to Sri Lanka. Nowadays, they don't, these people, other countries don't give loans to Sri Lanka because they have skipped, the Sri Lankan government has skipped paying. Management must have a good public relations with the staff. They must, sometimes they give us, they hold functions for us, teacher felicitation ceremonies on the government as the. Now read these 5 answers and give me the correct answer. What doesn't belong to external state public relations?
The second one.
Second one.
President visit to India.
Okay, we'll see. China appoints a new ambassador to Sri Lanka. That is correct. External public relations. External state public relations. President's visit to India. External state public relations. Attending the United Nations conference. That is also external state public relations, right? Island-wide program to encourage new inventors. That is internal. Number 2, grant a loan from IMF. What is meaning of IMF? Somebody tell me. Okay. 37. The human communication process begins. Give me the answer quickly.
Second one, sir.
From the day man began to live on earth. Correct. 38. Give me the answer.
The third one.
Choose the false statement.
No, sorry. No.
Oh, yeah.
The fourth one.
Third one, sir. Third one.
Okay, we'll see.
Oh, the
False
third one.
statement. Human communication is as old as human society. Correct. Communication is related to daily life. Correct. Communication is the foundation of personal and social relationships. Correct. Good communication reduces many personal and social problems. Correct. Communication studies is limited to the school curriculum. Wrong. You learn communication studies in universities also. Right? That is the false one. 39. Read it carefully and answer. Most suitable answer. What is it?
The first one.
Humans are able to share information about more complex ideas and concepts. You know this?
Fifth one, sir.
Okay. You know this Aristotle. When Aristotle, Socrates, Plato, those people, and Martin Wickramasinghe from Sri Lanka, those people didn't have internet at that time. No mobile phones. No, some medias weren't there. Television, no, right? Humans are able to share information about more complex ideas and concepts through creation of language, right? These people who lived in the Stone Age, we call them primitive man, primitive people, used signs and symbols. They didn't have a language. So they could express only simple ideas. But this modern man has language, right? Now we can discuss complex ideas. So the most suitable answer is through the creation of language. Question number 40. Give the answer. I think this is the old syllabus. Study of the reconstruction of gender, race, caste, and sexuality in the media. Right? Media,
Second
one
one,
of
sir.
you, yeah, yeah, correct. When we study about other races, other caste, other societies, other religions, other communities, it leads to a peaceful life. Question number 41. Public relations are that you don't need. That's in 13. However, we will discuss. No, we'll discuss it later. Communication 42. Communication helps to maintain human relationships. Who told that?
Sir, Wilbur.
Wilbur. We'll go to the definitions first.
Charles Cooley.
Okay. Definitions. Harold D. Laswell says a convenient way to describe an act of communication is the answer to the following questions. Who says what, in which channel, to whom, with what effect? Shannon and Weaver, two persons. A message created or selected from one point, communicated in the same and similar manner to another point, is identified as communication. Wilbur. An information-centered message that creates the same level of psychological state between two individuals is identified as communication. Charles Cooley. The mechanism through which human relations exist and develop. That's the answer. Charles Horton Cooley. Communication helps maintain human relationships. Charles Cooley. Who said that answer? Who made?
Wait.
Okay, 43. A public relations tool that works with one-way communication. Providing incentives. That means something like bonus. Our company gives bonus to the staff. Because we are staying at home, school gives us bonus. That is also public relations. Public relations with management and the staff. Counseling. Counseling is two-way, right? In the school, we have a counseling center. So students can go there. I hope we also can go there, but they don't allow us. We must also have that facility. Everyone must have counseling facilities. So children go there and talk to them. That is two-way. Funding. Funding means providing money or something for a business or something else. Granting promotions. Giving promotion. Yes. Distribution of leaflets. Giving promotions.
One way.
Public relations. Why? Providing incentive is also same, no? Giving bonus, giving incentives, giving promotions.
The fifth one.
I think the fifth one. Distribution of leaflets. You don't read the
One
leaflet.
One way distribution.
Yes, this funding, we know that. Now, if you are in the director board of Saira College, you can do the funding, giving money to maintain the school. That is two-way because management and the director board, they know each other. Providing incentives or bonus, management and the staff, they know each other. Granting promotions, management and the staff, they know each other. But distribution of leaflets, we don't know those people on the road. Nowadays it is prohibited, I think, distributing leaflets. Usually they have to, I think they have to distribute 1,000 leaflets per day at least. Then they are given 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees. Right? So they have to, sometimes they send spies also. Spy, to check whether they are distributing those leaflets correctly. So they stay in the sun away innawa, and they distribute those leaflets. So I don't know those people, but when I am passing them, I tell them to give me a leaflet also. I put it in a garbage bin. I don't read it. I don't know that person, but I know what they are doing. They are doing a job. So I help their job. Sometimes on that Maharagam area, I go from I walk from Maharagama area to Kottawa area, then I collect one leaflet. Again, I walk from Kottawa area to Maharagama area. Again, I collect another leaflet from the same person. So I help those people like that. Nowadays, we can't do it because of this corona problem. I don't know those people, but I help them to do their job earlier and go home. So that's the answer, number 5. We don't know that person who distributes leaflets. Question number 44. Give the answer. Read it carefully. Read the question carefully.
So what is bipartisan?
Bipartisan means two-way. Two-way. What is least likely to happen when communicating through mass media? Using professional communicators.
The fourth one.
The third
Okay,
one.
we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Using professional communicators. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Abdullah, I think your device has a problem. Others can hear me clearly, no? Umesh,
Yes, sir,
can you
can
hear
hear.
me clearly?
Yes, sir. Can hear.
Abdullah, please check your device and your data connection. Okay. Using professional communicators is correct. Mass media. Right? The use of technology is correct. Mass media. Bipartisan means two-way. That is not correct. When the announcer is there, usually we don't call them. There are some programs where we call, but that is not relevant. That is the answer. Number 4, spreading messages commonly. That is correct. Sirasa News at 7 p.m. So Humaid, Abdullah, Rafshan, all these people watch Sirasa News at 7. Not any other thing on Sirasa. Message is common. Hierarchical organizational pattern. Hierarchy. Media owner, media manager, program manager, producers, editors, news readers, news writers, tea maker, right? Hierarchical order. Number 45, give me the answer.
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one, ancient printing, China. Modern
Yes,
printing,
sir.
Germany. 46. This metaphorical means, okay, that thing you don't need. Answer number 2, non-verbal communication. It is meant to give each house a different color at the sports meet. That is non-verbal communication, right?
Common, sir.
Non-verbal means that by looking at that color, I think Baghdad color is blue, right? By looking at that color, we can identify, this is Baghdad.
Sir, verbal කියන්නේ කතා කරන එකනේ sir.
Oh, non-verbal can kata naha.
Non-verbal.
හරි හරි.
47. Give the
The third
answer.
one belongs to the performance elements.
Yeah, correct. Costumes, lighting, music, makeup, etc. on a stage drama belongs to performance elements. 48. Quickly give the answer.
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth one. There was a sudden news story about the curfew in television, but Kamal didn't hear it well because of a technical issue of the
Sir,
television.
fifth one.
The situation Kamal facing here is, yes, fifth one, correct. The media is distorted by the noise. Noise, right? Not the gatekeeping process. Abdallah, can you hear me now? Abdallah.
Can, sir.
Okay. Now listen carefully. I have discussed these things, but I discuss them again and again, so all of you can understand this very well.
Sir, Kamal,
Gatekeep.
sir,
Yeah.
Kamal town at TV issue in the sir. So media is influence. Noise ka naman sir.
Influence, no, influence mean that Panadol example, when you go to the pharmacy or the grocery, when you have a headache or fever, you go and tell, give me Panadol. There are some other brands also for fever and headache. There is Flagyl, there is Paracetamol, there is Paracetamol SPC tablets, there is Vendol MGC. A lot of paracetamol brands are there. But when you go to the pharmacy, you tell, give me Panadol. That is media influence, right? Because every day, most of the time, radio, television, newspaper, everywhere we hear and see Panadol, 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 right? That is media influence. Here, you have to remember noise. Noise means disturbance. Kamal didn't hear it well because of the technical issue of the television. Technical issue means sometimes speaker, sometimes antenna, sometimes signal, right? Technical issue means mechanical noise, right? Mechanical noise. When it is raining, we can't watch dialogue television. What noise is that? Right?
Mechanical noise.
Mechanical noise plus environmental noise, right? Mechanical noise plus environmental noise. When you watch a Chinese television channel, you don't understand that. What noise is that? Somebody tell me.
No, sir.
You don't understand Chinese teledramas. What
Oh.
noise is that? That is also noise. What noise?
Sound, language noise. Done.
Semantic noise. We have taught this. That is
Semantic
semantic noise. The language you don't understand, that is semantic noise. Since you have forgot that, I will explain it. Okay, without going to the note, I will explain. There are two kinds of noise, mechanical noise and semantic noise. Abdallah, what are the two kinds of noise?
Mechanical noise and semantic noise.
Semantic noise. Mechanical noise means mechanical problems. Rain is also mechanical problem, right? You can't watch dialogue TV because of rain. That is mechanical problem. Semantic noise means you can't understand the language. If I speak Hindi, you may not understand that. Semantic noise. We learned these two things, huh? Gatekeeping. What is gatekeeping process? Abdallah.
Edit of the television.
Yeah. Abdullah is a news reporter. Abdullah sees an incident. uh, Humaid goes to the grocery and he steals a packet of biscuit. Then the owner of the boutique arrests Humaid and he calls the police and tell them to arrest him. Right? Then that is a news. That is a news. Then Abdullah sees this thing. Abdullah write down that thing on a paper or on his book. He write down that thing. He works for Sunday Observer newspaper. He goes to that area, the printing, the Sunday Observer press, and hand over it to the editor. Sometimes before going there, Abdullah think this is a very small incident. Stealing a packet of biscuit. That's a very small incident. Why should I why should I publish Humaid's name on the newspaper? Then Abdullah throws away that news. He doesn't hand over it to the editor. That is gatekeeping process. Abdullah, did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then think that Abdullah handed over it to the editor. Editor says, don't publish very small incidents like this. There are ministers and other MPs who steal our money, billions of money. So if they do that mistake, those things, why should we publish these small incidents? Editor throws away the news. That is also gatekeeping process. Sometimes editor may say, don't write that who made that this person did this thing. Write down a person from who made where I from Maradano. Just an example, okay?
Play
Example.
while.
Who made from Okay, just an example. Who made from Maradana area stole this packet of biscuit. Don't write that. Don't write who made. Write down a person from Maradana area. Editor edits this thing. That is called gatekeeping process. So imagine that owner of the newspaper, editor is one person, owner is another person. Owner of the newspaper is Humaid. Humaid has a lot of money. Humaid steals as a hobby. Right? He's the owner of the newspaper. That Abdullah doesn't know that. Editor knows that. Editor says, I say this is our owner of the newspaper. Don't publish this thing. Or owner may be a friend of Humaid. Right? Owner may say, editor, don't publish this news. If you have printed it already, destroy that, remove that part, that paper. Right? Page number 15 of the newspaper, remove that thing. Right? That is called gatekeeping process. So each and everyone who works for the media are gatekeepers. The media is under control. That doesn't
Sir, getting stuck, sir.
that doesn't suit here. Not necessarily. Media amplification. We learned hub model. I will explain that. Amplification. Now you have two kinds of universities in Sri Lanka. State universities and private universities. Everyone mute your mic. Shahad, are you there?
Yes, sir. It's getting stuck, sir.
Getting Umaid, can
Yes,
you hear
sir.
me
But
clearly?
lagging, sir. Yes, sir.
Lagging. I don't know what's happening. However, what I am telling is clear for
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay. this amplification. Amplification means highlighting a special news in every media. Nowadays, that penny incident, kagalle penny ne. Kagalle person says, I found a cure for corona. Everyone come and buy that. Earlier he said that is 25,000 one bottle. Now he says, okay, I will give it free of charge. I think more than 10,000 people went there to Kagal area to get that pannier free of charge. Right? Now every news channel, Sirasa TV, Derana, Hiru FM, Lankadeepa newspaper, all of them show this thing, photographs, videos, and they tell you, here these people, they don't keep social distance, right? They, they stick together. They may spread coronavirus throughout the country, right? This is going to be the third wave of corona in Sri Lanka because they don't keep social distance. That's the main reason, right? So nowadays media always speak about that incident, penny incident. That is called media amplification, giving priority to one news. Umaid, understood? Umaid? Akil, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood what I told you now? Media amplification?
Yes, sir.
Right. So the answer should be number 5. Now give me the answer for 49.
Fourth
Sir,
one.
fourth one.
The emergence of popular culture is the result of mass media, right? Popular culture is created by mass media. We got to know Shah Rukh Khan by mass media. Cinema is a mass media. Television is a mass media. We got to know Bharti and Santosh, those two persons, through mass media. So they belong to popular culture. Popular culture is created by mass media. What is created with popular culture? Mass media creates popular culture. Popular culture creates consumerism. Consumerism means a consumer society, right? People have a lot of wants. Need is one thing, want is another thing. You may have learned this if you have done commerce for O levels, business studies, right? Food is a need or want. Akil?
Need.
Food is a need. String hoppers, bread, rice, fruits, those are wants, right? Need is limited, wants are unlimited. Now, people want a lot of things. Pizza, French fries, all those things, right? Therefore, that is called consumerism. Consumerism means people or the public need a lot of things, want a lot of things, instead of needs. We need only 4 things: food, clothes, medicine, shelter. Those are the main 4 needs. But people want a lot of things. That is called consumerism. Consumerism is created with popular culture. Sangakkara and Mahela belong to popular culture. They drink Coca-Cola on advertisements. People also want Coca-Cola, right? Bhati and Santush, they belong to popular culture. They act in dialogue advertisements, sometimes Hutch advertisements. People also want dialogue scenes or Hutch scenes. That is called consumerism. In traditional media, expression is more efficient. What is expression? Give me the answer.
So anything done by expressing
Yeah, find the answer from this.
reactions.
Answer number?
So first one.
The receiver's thoughts. Yes, what we think, we express. Express, yes. That's the thing. Question number 51.
Sir, there's no charge in my phone, sir.
Okay, join tomorrow. Charge it properly and join tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Only 0% is there. It's going to cancel, sir.
You can use it while charging also. Okay. Others, give me answer for question number 51. Rakshan, you don't talk.
So second one.
Rakshan, what is the main creative challenge of radio? Identification of subscribers. Using language to capture the mind of the subscriber. Correct. Training of artist on pronunciation as per the requirement of the program.
The second one, sir.
Yes, second one is correct. Classification of radio programs by various sectors. Exploring the use of sound and silence in situational representation. Yeah, I will discuss this thing. Second one is correct. You have to identify what kind of a subscriber you have if you are a radio presenter. You have to use the language to capture the mind of the subscriber. That is the main thing. You have to train the artist on pronunciation as per the requirements of the programs. Classify the radio programs, news programs, radio dramas, radio discussions, advertisements. Classify that. Explore the use of sound and silence. Sometimes you have to use silence also, especially in radio dramas. Question number 52, give the answer quickly. Some people are just... Yes, sir.
Advertising.
Correct. Right. Motivation means attracting. I have told this about 100 times, but some people still don't understand that. In media subject, motivation means attracting the receivers. Teledramas want to attract receivers. News programs and song lyrics want to attract receivers. Entertainment programs want to attract receivers. But more than that, advertisements want to attract receivers. Question number 53. Yeah, try to find the answer. Language, they have mentioned their name. අපි සිංහලෙන් කියනවා කෙෂල් කියලා. ඒ වගේ කොරියන් ලැන්ග්වේජ් එකනොත් ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒකේ නම දාලා තියෙනවා. English වලින් දාලා තියෙනවා long yellow things කියලා. එහෙම ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. In the world, there are people who don't know this language, English language properly. So I'm telling all of you, you have to know the technical words of media, any subject. You have to know the meaning of the technical words and when to use it. You have to learn these things. Distortion means changing. Recovery means recovery. The basic thing, right? Here recovery means the basic thing. Culture is the changing of the basic things. Culture means the distortion of this recovery. The correct word should be reality, right? Culture means the distortion of reality, right? Reality, change the reality. Okay, culture distorts people's minds. Culture is how naturalism is changed. That is the answer. Answer number 2. Culture is the distortion of reality means culture is how naturalism is changed. Animals live the natural way. People don't live the natural way. They change that. That is culture. Animals don't have culture. Humans have culture. Now we are learning about this thing. There are different aspects of media criticism. Media criticism means you don't accept thing at once, right? You can watch their news. They are partial to Rajapaksas. You can watch Sirasa News. They are partial to sometimes Premadasas. So, if you watch both of those news, sometimes you can find the truth. What is the truth, right? So you have to watch both of them and analyze those things, right? That is media criticism. You know how to turn on the TV. You know how to use the remote. That is media literacy. You know how to read the newspaper. You know how to tune the radio. That is media literacy. Media criticism is another thing. There are different aspects in media criticism. Media and daily life, right? Media criticism is connected with media and daily life. Media and various ideologies. Marxist criticism, feminist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism, various ideologies. Similarities and dissimilarities of media and messages. There are similarities in media messages. There are messages and hero messages. There are dissimilarities in some media messages. There are news and Sirasa News. Power of media message. Media economy. There's a thing called media economy. Media and technology. Media and culture. Now let's discuss media and various ideologies. Marxist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism, okay. Aman, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir, can hear.
Akil, Umaid, can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Can you? Can you?
Rafshan, are you there? Kulwek wage innawa Rafshan? Abdallah, try login again. You leave the meeting and click the link again. Abdallah? Okay. Etc. belong to these ideologies. It means that media criticism is guided by various ideologies. Media criticism can be further fostered by the influence of various types of ideologies. We have to give priority to Marxist criticism, psychoanalytic criticism, and feminist criticism. The main idea behind Marxist criticism lies as a factor that a necessity of the capitalist society and the privileged power structure is the media production and strengthening of the same. That means you know about this Karl Marx. You learned that in political science. Karl Marx says media belongs to capitalist society, capitalists, right? Rich people. So these rich people, this capitalist class, they use media to control poor class, poor people. You better write down these things on your revision book, right? I sent it a long time ago. අර මම එකපාරට messages ගොඩක් කිව්වේ අන්න ඒක තමයි මම මේ කියවන්නේ දැන්. Aman, did you write? Therefore, they use media to do that. That means to develop and continue the capitalist society, the privileged or powerful people in the capitalist society need to produce media messages. As such, media art is also regarded as a productive measure that should address the audience. Media art is regarded a productive measure that should be distributed among the audience and reflect their necessity. The economic and cultural foundation aimed in building up media creation. Then the purpose is laid as analyzing those factors. In this manner, according to this criticism, the inequality of the social structure is found on the wealth and power structures and the media dominance bestowed on that structure. There is a media dominance. That means some media control this country, right? People who voted the Rajapaksa government they were controlled by Derana and Hiru media. People who voted Premadasa, they were controlled by Sirasa media. There are some other media also. Those three are the most powerful media in Sri Lanka. Right? There's a dominance. They control this thing, the society and the people's mind. Then the purpose is laid down right. In this manner, according to this criticism, the inequality of the social structure is found on wealth, right? There is an inequality in the social structure. Poor class get poor day by day, especially of this corona problem. Rich class get rich day by day. That is social inequality. There is some problem here. Karl Marx says there is some problem here. So that inequality happens because of the wealth, because of the money, wealth and power. This kind of critical thinking becomes essential to the modern receivers in an audience. So we have to look at media messages or media programs according to Marxist criticism. We can criticize media messages and media channels using Marxist criticism. Psychoanalytic criticism. Psychoanalytic criticism emphasizes media content through psychological perspectives. Psychoanalysts believe that the use of media is highly responsible for changing children into intolerant behavior, and we need to take this situation very seriously. You may remember that what Professor Wilbur Schramm said. You may remember what the University of Pennsylvania say about this, right? They believe that advertisements process addresses the hidden thoughts of one's mind. All of the humans, according to psychologists, all of the humans are bad. All of them want to be bad, right? All of the humans want to behave bad. Because doing bad thing is easy. Doing good thing is not easy. Killing a mosquito, easy. But saving a life is difficult. So people select the easier one more than the difficult one. But however, some people behave nicely because they are afraid of sometimes they are afraid of the religion. Sometimes they are afraid of the law, rules and regulations. Otherwise, if religion and rules weren't there, people will behave bad. So these advertisements talk to people's hidden thoughts. Hidden thoughts are very bad. That's why we are hiding them. We hide our thoughts because they are bad. These advertisements talk to our hidden thoughts. In one yogurt advertisement, the brother, he steals that yogurt from his sister. In one biscuit advertisement also same. Stealing. Advertisements talk to people's hidden thoughts. People want to steal, everyone, but we don't do it because we are afraid of the religion and we are afraid of the law. But everyone has a hidden thought of acquiring everyone's wealth, right? So the psychoanalysis say that these advertisements talk to your hidden thoughts. That's how advertisements motivate or attract us to buy their products. Through this concept, the hidden thoughts of the use of science-based media messages could be further inquired. For an example, if you take Siddhalepa advertisements, they pronounce the word Siddhalepa at least 4 times during the advertisements. They do that to plant their brand name inside the receiver's mind. Majority of the advertisements use this method. When we learn psychoanalytic criticism, we can easily recognize fake media messages. In addition, mindset of the audience is further developed, inquiring and understanding psychoanalytically. This critical approach enables the audience for the growth of thinking pattern. Psychoanalytic criticism emphasizes emotional influences that are created by media content. It inquires how the media create thoughts and messages, paving the way for the receiver's mental stress. Commercial advertisements that are repeated may have a tendency to create mental influences that ought to understand and ought to be understood. Okay, I hope you understood